Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE academic and PTE core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Cybersecurity has become a critical priority for modern organizations due to increasing digital threats. Businesses rely heavily on digital systems to store sensitive data, making them vulnerable to cyberattacks such as hacking, phishing, and ransomware. A single security breach can result in financial loss, reputational damage, and legal consequences. To prevent such risks, companies invest in advanced security systems, employee training, and regular audits. Human error remains one of the biggest causes of security breaches, highlighting the importance of awareness. Experts emphasize that cybersecurity is not only a technical issue, but also a strategic responsibility that requires continuous monitoring and improvement.
The lecture discusses cybersecurity as a major concern for modern organizations. It explains that businesses face threats like hacking and ransomware, which can cause financial and reputational damage. The speaker highlights the importance of security systems, employee training, and regular monitoring. It also notes that human error is a key risk. The conclusion is that cybersecurity requires continuous and strategic management.
Global trade has created strong economic interdependence among nations by connecting markets, industries, and supply chains. Countries now rely on imports and exports to maintain economic growth and stability. This interconnected system allows access to resources, technology, and investment opportunities. However, it also increases vulnerability to global disruptions such as economic crises, pandemics, and political conflicts. Trade policies, tariffs, and international agreements play a crucial role in managing these relationships. Economists suggest that diversification and cooperation are essential to maintain stability. The lecture concludes that while global trade drives growth, it also requires careful management to reduce risks.
The lecture explains global trade and how it creates economic interdependence among countries. It highlights benefits such as access to resources, technology, and growth opportunities. However, it also increases vulnerability to global disruptions like crises and conflicts. The speaker emphasizes the role of trade policies and cooperation. The conclusion is that global trade must be managed carefully to balance growth and risk.
Energy storage plays a vital role in the effectiveness of renewable energy systems, such as solar and wind power. Since these energy sources are not constant, efficient storage solutions are needed to maintain a steady supply. Technologies like lithium-ion batteries, pumped hydro storage, and emerging solid-state batteries are being developed to address this challenge. However, issues such as high costs, limited capacity, and environmental concerns remain. Researchers are focusing on improving efficiency, reducing costs, and developing sustainable materials. The lecture concludes that advancements in energy storage are essential for the large-scale adoption of renewable energy.
The lecture discusses the importance of energy storage in renewable energy systems. It explains that solar and wind energy require storage solutions for consistent supply. Technologies like lithium-ion batteries and pumped hydro are mentioned. However, challenges include high costs and environmental concerns. The speaker concludes that improving storage technology is crucial for expanding renewable energy use.
Entrepreneurship is a key driver of economic growth as it creates new businesses, jobs, and innovations. Entrepreneurs identify market gaps and develop products or services to meet consumer needs. Small and medium enterprises contribute significantly to national economies. However, entrepreneurs often face challenges such as financial constraints, market competition, and regulatory barriers. Governments support entrepreneurship through funding programs, training, and policy reforms. Innovation and risk-taking are essential qualities for success. The lecture concludes that promoting entrepreneurship strengthens economic development and encourages technological progress.
The lecture explains the role of entrepreneurship in economic growth. It highlights that entrepreneurs create jobs and introduce new ideas. Small businesses contribute significantly to the economy. However, challenges like funding and competition exist. The speaker mentions government support through policies and training. The conclusion is that entrepreneurship drives innovation and economic development.
Plastic waste has become a major environmental problem affecting land, oceans, and wildlife. Due to its non-biodegradable nature, plastic accumulates in ecosystems and takes hundreds of years to decompose. Marine animals often ingest plastic, leading to injury or death. Improper waste management and excessive use of single-use plastics worsen the issue. Solutions include recycling, reducing plastic consumption, and developing biodegradable alternatives. Governments are introducing regulations such as bans and taxes on plastic products. The lecture concludes that collective efforts from individuals, industries, and governments are necessary to control plastic pollution.
The lecture discusses the environmental impact of plastic waste. It explains that plastic does not decompose easily and harms ecosystems and marine life. The problem is increased by poor waste management and excessive use. The speaker suggests solutions like recycling, reducing plastic use, and biodegradable alternatives. It concludes that joint efforts are needed to reduce plastic pollution.
If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.